the amazing video series Rebuilding JordanTaylorDavis, day 40. Last year was amazing. Let's not forget that for a second. 2025 helped me realize I do have a gift of resiliency in the face of adversity. And that sounds good. That sounds good. It doesn't feel good at all. I promise you don't want that gift. You think you want it? You think you want that gift? No, you don't want to have you don't want that. Work with your hands, or be a good communicator or something. Don't go for the I wish I was resilient in the face of adversity. Don't go for that, I'm telling you. This year is already packed with so much potential, so many opportunities, and I'm just grateful that one, I never gave up, and two, I'm able to help people never give up. And that brings me full circle with what Black Light Visions is going to be doing for the rest of the year. I wanted to announce it tonight, but I got to get some things in order, or I have to make some. Hopefully tonight I can make the Black Light Visions announcement. Yeah, hopefully tonight. But yeah, we've got some amazing stuff. We have some amazing stuff lined up this year, and I'm just grateful, y'all. I'm super grateful, and I love y'all. And thank you for the haters. Thank you for the naysayers. Thank you for the doubters. Thank you for the people on the sideline doing nothing, but you got nothing but negativity. You got nothing but negativity going on. And I used to fight against it. Now I realize that's the other side of the equation. And I'm grateful for it now. And at first I did not like people not liking me. I thought like I could just like shrug that off and keep going. I was wrong. I could not just shrug it off and keep going. I had to figure out how to deal with it. And then once I figured it out, I was like, wow, this is what people are going through on the daily online. So yeah, mental health is always important. Thankfully, I'm able to figure mine out before it gets bad. But yeah, y'all, we got some amazing stuff lined up this year, and I'm ready, and I hope y'all are ready. Love you. Peace.